Hi guys, I'm back. So I painted all this in white, and I'm thinking I'm gonna crack a medium on this, guys. So I'm gonna use my crackle medium. I forgot to get more crackle, guys. Seriously, I forgot. So I'm gonna be careful with my tab. I think I'm gonna use the big paintbrush here. Not sure I opened that way. But I think it's almost gone. I forgot, guys. I need to buy more crackle medium. I'm not really crackle expert, guys. I just if you let air dry by itself, is get better cracker. I did not know that until I left overnight, get big crack really nice. I never read instruction. I'm bad at reading instruction, guys. I always make things like a hurry, guys. Like I just make your thing go like faster. That's why I always like to use the heat tool when I do crackle. I get a little bit. It's not good result when you use the heat tool. So I'm gonna let air dry a little bit. Okay. So the bottom I'm not gonna crackle. So on this I'm going to, let me see. Now time to paint all this in the color the light brush. Here we go. Oh, this one. I'll do that later. If you guys like to watch Susie Almond show, guys, you need to watch, guys. Be better smart with your money. Okay, this one going to be my crab show. So then I need to alter this for the show. I think I'm gonna alter. If I don't, I think, I'm not sure we have a lot of time doing anything else, guys. I've been busy for me. try to listen Dave Ramsey to guys. The Money Advisor, guys. You need to listen, guys. It helps save your money. I like to listen to those stuff too, guys. I think I forgot this. Yep. I forgot that lie. How the color looking good, guys? It's peachy color. So I'm gonna do this the same thing with this. Okay, just follow the line of the white here, guys. Okay. So I don't think you guys want this towards me do all this. Or of course, if you guys want to listen to me, blah blah blah. Or my husband, he'd call me, because he asked me, his Cody asked mommy what mommy want for the Mother Day. I said, oh, I don't know, maybe another gun. And he called me from work. He said, are you serious or what? So he thinking of buying me a new one. Like, I don't know. He asked me what type of gun that I want. And I told him, I don't know, something. He asked me if he want a rifle. I never had rifle before, so I'm not sure if I like it or not. I need more gun anyway, cause then if we move out of the country, all the time gonna be me and Cody, not my husband not gonna be around, often. Well, he have to, stay at the hotel, and then drive back to work. So it's gonna be like me and Cody. So Cody gonna have to learn how to shoot the gun soon. Believe it or not, guys, Cody knows so much better. Like we taught him that don't touch that. It's dangerous, and he never touched it. I'm so proud of him. So when you used to, if you stay with big family, you don't know, sometimes you feel like you're scared or something. You don't know that feeling. If you live like big family together or close by, it's you're not feel really scared. But if you live here like no one, beside you and your baby, you feel like scared. So it's just good that you have like, even though you have the gun in your house to protect yourself, you still feel like you're scared anyway, but it's more less scared when you think that, you know, at least you have gun with you. It's something in vain, you know, came to your house without invitation to shoot them. But the more, you know, safe how you feel when you, even though you don't have the gun in the house, but at least you have a guy in the house, it feels different. You can change that feeling, guys, when even though you're in your house you feel like not safe. If somebody come in, what we're gonna do, you know. But you'll be more super secure when you have the guy in the house and the gun too. I don't think I need that one because that's gonna be, you can't really see anyway. Well, I forgot. Really crowded all day today. My husband not home yet today. That's look pretty good. So I'm going to do this one real quick, guys, off the camera, and I will be right back, guys. Okay. Then I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. Hi guys, I'm back. So you see my crackle there, a little bit crackle, guys. But I did painted everything, and I have my measurement here. I'm gonna pick the paper. So this is so pretty. I love this guy. I think the color match really well with this one, the light brush there. So I'm going to I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use this one of these. I'm not sure I'm going to use what side. I'm kind of have like a really picky on which one that I'm going to use. That one, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use this one. This is so pretty. I don't know if I see cut that one too, I don't know. About this one, yeah, I'm going to use that one too. So because this one will be a lot of pieces to use, need to be cut. I love this one too, so I'm gonna use that. I think I'm gonna use this one on the side of paper. I'm not sure, but this one. I love this one too, guys. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna take it out. I might change my mind later. I might use that one too. I don't know. I might take this one out. Okay. So okay, here what I like to do is like which pattern I like where to go when I alter my stuff. Okay, so like the bottom, you're not gonna see it because this one gonna be up here, right? This one gonna be bottom. You don't have to cover the paper at all. You can paint it. I'm not going to paint it. I'm kind of getting tired of painting. So it doesn't matter, right? What the bottom, you can do any purple or whatever. He's not gonna see it unless you lift it up. So I'm worry about the piece the bottom later. So I worry is the outside. But this one because it will show outside how to see it. So that is my main concern. The first one. So I either want this one. Pattern or this one, so that's my choice. So like if I use this one, now let's look what I want. Is this one going to be her or the fence like that? Okay, so I'm thinking either this one. My three choices that I like. This and this. Okay. So let's see if I don't use this one or if I use this one, same have the fences. See that? Or I use this one. Oh, this one can be in the, let me see another piece. See this one, you can see this side in the front. So I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay, for the so I'm gonna use this one right here, and then this one going to be I don't want to be like too much pattern around, you know. So I would like to alternate with like maybe like this. So if this one is the wall side here is pattern, so I might like this one just the plain like that. You guys see what I'm saying, what I'm talking about, right? So yeah. So I'm not really sure that I'm gonna use that one for this one, or I'm gonna use this one right here, and I might use this one. So or I might use this one right here. Oh, I like this one. Oh, maybe I can use this one right here. Yep. This is my problem. So like if I use this one right here, and okay, I think I'm gonna use this one right here, the wall side. Okay guys, so this one, the wall side, that my measurement was 5/4 by 5/4. So we have to trim this one to get big, and I want to make like a border. So this one will be 5/4 by 5 3/4 by 5 3/4, and then but we have to trim this one down. Let's see. Because I don't want this flourish here, the frame here. You can use this one something else, but I'm not gonna use that one in here. So I'm going to have to think I'm going to yeah, we're going to cut that one out. I think we might need more than one piece of this. You can use this on a third layout, you know. I'm not really sure I do this one right. I don't think this one was right either. I don't think I have enough, but we'll see. I'm not sure I'm going to use anything at all, guys. Maybe put it on the layout, but it look pretty good so far. See, I'm going to trim this one 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. No, 5 3/4, 5 3/4. I'm sorry. So this one will be 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. See, I do need another piece of this one, guys. See, and then I'm gonna have to trim this one off right there to get it through, but worry about that later. But we'll save this one because this one going to be the piece inside of this. messy. So this one will be perfect. So this one will be the inside will be 5 1/4 by 3 and 3, 2 and 3/8. Yeah. Then this one is gonna be right here. Well, this one had to be cut shorter because I forgot, because inside from here, so it will be five and a quarter. Yep. So inside wall 5 and a quarter. Yep. So, and then I know this one will be really difficult, huh? This one will be not rotate good. So there will be 5 and a quarter by 2 and 3/8. Well, this is, well, not gonna matter, you're not gonna see it anyway. So this one is scrap over, so you can firstly cut the cage out. But we'll need another piece of this for this one outside. So I will be right back after I cut another piece for this one, okay?